Hi guys, if your Samsung TV has a thin or thick black line on the screen, as it can be seen over here in this image, the cause can be very different depending on where it appears. So in this guide, you are going to learn how to identify the exact issue and what you can actually fix. So on the Samsung TV, a thin straight line usually means a pixel column failure, while the thicker band often points to the signal or the panel driver issues. So you need to first of all check if the line stays in the same place across all the applications or the inputs. If it does, it's likely internal. Now, the second thing that you can do is you can just simply run built-in picture test. For that, you need to come inside the settings of your TV. Afterwards, inside the settings, look for the option of support. Over here inside support, look for the option of self-diagnosis, and then simply look for the option of picture test. So as you can see over here, this is self-diagnosis, and inside it we have the picture test available. So after selecting the picture test option, if the line appears during the test, the issue is inside the TV and not the HDMI or the cable input. So this is going to help you eliminate the external device problems immediately. Now you can also first of all turn off your TV and lightly press along the edge where the line appears. If the line flickers, changes or disappears briefly, it indicates a loose panel ribbon cable connection, and this is common LED TV problem after long usage. Now, if the line is wide faded or if changes with the brightness, it may be relating to the T-con board. So you just have to basically look for these issues that often affect the larger section of the screen and not just a single line. So you can try these easy fixes and see if the problem is fixed. Thank you.